Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to do a quick overview on how to create accounts, groups, and policies in AWS Cloud Services. I'm going to be starting a series of videos related to the cloud, so I figure showing you how to create an account will be a good starting point. So as you can see, I'm logged into my AWS account using my root account, which is the first account that gets created when you create a new account. Obviously, the root account has full access to everything, and best practice is to not use it. So once you create your main account, your root account, you want to go ahead and create all the different accounts and associate different permissions depending on what that account is going to be used for. So hopefully this makes sense. I'm gonna try to show you quick how to do that, using the IAM service. So the first thing I want to do is let's go over to the IAM service. And then on the left hand side under access management, we want to select users. As you can see, I don't have any local users yet. So let's create one, create user. We're going to give it a name. Let's call him Mike. We'll call him Mike. And we want to give Mike AWS Management Console access. And we're going to create a password. I'm going to uncheck this for now because I do not want to create a new password once I log in with the Mic account. I'm going to create next. And I don't have any groups created, so this gives you an option to create a group as you're creating a user account. So let's go ahead and do that right here. So we click create group. We want to give it a name. So since this is going to be an admin account, we're going to create a group named admin. And we're going to select this policy. So there's multiple policies, hundreds of policies that you can select. Well, there's 1,115 policies that are pre-created by default. You can also create your own policies, but for this video right now, so I'm just going to use a default policy, the administrator access, which is full access to everything. So I'm going to create that policy. We're going to add that policy to this group name, and then we're going to add the user to this group. We're going to give it a tag. So tags basically just metadata. We can set this to department. So this is not needed at all, but it's optional. It's always good to have a few tags to get more information about the account. So create new user. The account has been created. Continue. That's okay. So let's go over to the dashboard and let's switch this account alias. And let's name this AWS Mike. So now, I guess I already have an account with Mike, so we're calling Mike 2. AWS Mike 2. Okay. So now if we want to log in as Mike, we can to keep this window open or logged in as root, because I want to do some other stuff. So I'm gonna open up another browser in private mode, so that way it keeps the other one open as well. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this URL. So you can see now the account ID is set to Mike 2. I'm gonna log in as Mike. Give it the password that we set for it. Sign in. There we go. We're able to log in. And we know we gave this account full access. I don't want that. So let's go over to the IAM service. And we should be able to view my own account. As you can see, there it is. I can see it. So let's show what happens if I go over to groups, access the admin group, and remove Mike from it. Okay, so Mike is gone. So if I come back over here to users, so I'm still able to see it, but now you see that I have access denied. And why is that? Because we removed Mike from that admin group that had full access to it. So we can create, we can go back over to the user mic. Maybe maximize this right here. And we can create a policy for. So right now, again, there's no groups for it. So we can actually create another group. We'll name this group. What can we create? What can we name it? Developers. Took me a while to read it. Actually, that's policies. I'm sorry. Should go over here. Developers. And we want to give read access only. So that policy is IAM RE, I think it is. Yep, read only. Okay. So now let's go ahead and add the user mic to it. So if we come back over here, so I should be able to read. So it's not, see, I can read it, but then if I try to create a group, let's give it a name here, test. It gives me an error message. Why? Because the developers group only has read access. So we can see that the policies are working. We can demonstrate how the groups are working. So that's good. So if we go back over here to the user, we can add, let's remove this. Then let's go back to the group. Sorry, I meant to click on groups. Admin, add user, and add mic again. So we can see that mic has been added back to that group. We don't need this group anymore. That was just for demonstration. So we can delete here. Delete this group, right? So we go back to users, click back on mic. Now we can see under groups, it's part of the admin group again. So if we go back to, actually let me refresh this window. Go to users. So now I'm able to see the account, full access just like I did before. I should be able to create a group as well, look at policies, and do everything that I need to do. So again, this is a quick overview of how to create an account, create a group, how to demonstrate how certain policies give you access to certain accesses within that account. So I hope this video was informative. I hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Please leave a like on the video. And again, I'm going to try to create more videos like this in reference to AWS Cloud services. So in this video, again, I just wanted to do a quick overview on what I think would be like the first things you should do when you're creating an AWS account. With your root account, then you should create non-root accounts and provide different access levels per account that you need. Well, that's all for today. Again, leave a like, leave a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you.